Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about the one of the dangerous topic. Basically, that is basically the few people basically when they do the discussion. Basically, few people say that basically in shooting, basically sometimes basically earthquake. Why basically earthquake happens? That's the open area basically. But the equipment basically which we are using from where basically you are doing the work, the uh, where basically you are standing, that basically might be connected with the set of energies basically. That energy basically might be creating problem to you basically. So that is also basically, created by the groups basically. So here basically they are basically doing the physical basically work. Here basically the mentally work basically. And this connects to sometime very dangerous thing basically. That is the mentally basically things basically happens. So here basically one of the person told that basically this all are the percentage basically infrastructure. So Mumbai people told that basically this many people basically this is also connecting the same thing basically, that is the USA basically. So now basically you can just understand basically why USA always keeps the map basically in front of them basically. That Indian basically people basically hear this much, they are going to do the discussion of the projects basically. Their infrastructure basically how much is and how much investment basically they have done. Reason is basically why, because USA basically said this is the reason basically. They are going to do the discussion with the projects basically. Projects is ongoing. The discussion basically. Lots of people say that basically we can communicate to the Skype or basically we'll say. Then he told that basically that is also connected with the computer infrastructure only, no, basically. That is also connected to there basically there basically the energy is going to connect too much basically. Why? It's connected with the environment basically. So there basically more energy is going to generate basically. So there basically lots of infrastructure basically is required for the software industry. So there basically the software infrastructure basically investment will get increased basically. In here basically if you are working in the company basically 12th of year basically buildings basically are written basically, companies basically have not written. I will assume that basically few companies basically are there basically. So in this basically doing the discussion basically, this above below data basically are going to play main role basically. Just see basically up to the things basically are connecting to the dangerous level basically. Because you are sitting in 3,50,000 buildings, that buildings is connected with the this data. The people basically who are sitting, that groups are basically these groups. Discussion is going to connect up to this level, that is 100%. The power supply basically which data is passed, that is this many data. And this all basically is going to connect to the heart attack, brain tumor, brain cancer, everything basically. But when basically that set of disease basically is going to connect basically, that was the question basically. That was the question basically asked by one of the person basically. For that basically you have to connect to this group only. This group only basically can tell you that data. That data basically these groups can only basically tell you basically. So for that basically they have created certain level of environment basically. That this is the basically environment basically. On this environment basically the infrastructure basically is getting created. On this basically environment basically the infrastructure basically are created. For that basically few people told that basically English language basically is not everything, no? Basically English language basically are created by the German language basically. So here basically I had not written the German basically, because German group has created the German language. Sanskrit, German, like this basically the combinations are basically there. So lots of people say that there is no need of writing the German basically. Reason? Reason one of the person told that is reason is they have created Gujarati language. That's why this basically is not required. This if you will not write, then also it will be fine because this groups connects to this also basically. So in Gujarati language basically they have passed their all conditions basically. So whenever basically the Gujarati person is going to communicate uh, in the in the basically the this area, that is this, that time basically Gujarati infrastructure is also basically created. So on the base of that environment basically they all are basically doing the discussion basically, and this group says that basically if this many words basically will connect in the environment, that is this basically. For example, they are doing discussion of certain level of projects basically. They connected to the discussion. The word will access basically. If the word will access basically, or basically you can say the word will increase up to this level basically, then basically this group says that basically we have kept the maximum level of the words combination basically is this many. If this many will, this combination will increase basically, then this disease is going to connect to the environment and all will connect to that disease basically. So it's very dangerous nowadays to do the discussion also basically. So one of the person told that basically this building basically they are going to do to this building basically. They are telling that they are repairing it basically. From they are going to sit there and basically they are actually repairing that basically. They can't sit there basically. 3,50,000 building basically they can't sit also basically in the computer. In the computer basically this group basically can't sit also basically. They can sit up to 3 to 4 hours basically. Maximum basically this many. Reason, if they are sitting too much basically, then basically this combination is going to generate 100%, and this group basically have done some maximum limit basically, and this group says that basically we are basically taking this all data basically on the base of power supply data basically. How many power supply you are passing, how many basically the infrastructure is basically created of each and every language basically. These groups basically have given data to this group basically, and the nuclear power and energy company. So just see the combination basically, how dangerous it is basically. So that's why lots of people says that yaar kya karenge. Then they told that basically do the discussion of 1 hour, 2 hours basically, and take the break basically, or basically discuss for few hours basically, and then basically take the break basically. But then basically what about the ideas basically which are basically generated in the environment basically, that basically is there basically, because it's going to connect to the next level ideas basically. What about that basically? Then he told that that's basically correct. For that basically season groups are basically working basically for that basically, because for that only, if you will not discuss, if you will not basically going to talk, then basically how you are going to generate the human needs basically. For that basically your blood cells basically are generated, and for that basically companies basically are getting the money from the that's why basically the companies basically are earning 80,000 90,000 crore basically on the base of this data only basically, and they are basically doing testing with their employees basically first, then basically they are spreading the data to the environment. In next video basically we are going to see.